Hey guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna share my screen with you. Let me know when you see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So guys, yesterday what we did the introduction session, right? Wherein we discussed about Microsoft Intune. So what is Intune? What exactly Intune is doing? What are the roles and responsibilities of Intune? Then we discussed about the architectural diagram of Intune, historical background of Intune, right? Then we discussed about the course content, and after taking the course, you can take Microsoft certification. These are the things which we discussed the introduction. Now, today we are going to start doing our practical lab. So today is 31st of July
July.
topics. Point number one is check system configuration. Okay, check system configuration. So you guys need to check your system configuration. So how do you check your system configuration? The minimum requirement is you need to have 8 GB RAM in your computer. Okay, so you go to search down at the bottom, everyone, you have to follow the same step on your computer. So you have to search system information. Now you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11. Anything will work. Windows 10 or Windows 11. Second, processor. You need to have which processor? Four logical processor. Minimum four logical processor should be there, and minimum 8 GB RAM. The installed physical memory. Okay. So the configuration what you need is operating system, either Windows 10 or 11, right? Second, CPU processor, four logical processor. And the last one is, no, second last, RAM, 8 GB RAM. And last one is hard disk, you know, disk space. How much disk space you need? Minimum, minimum you have to have 100, no, 80 GB, sorry, 80 GB free space. Okay, so this is the configuration you need on your computer. So again, Windows 10 or 11, 4 processor, 8 GB RAM. Now check the hard disk space. So in order to check the hard disk space, you need to go to open the folder and then go to this PC at the left hand side, and how much space is there on your C drive and D drive. So you need to have minimum 80 GB free space. Got it? Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah, on any drive, Kashif,
Yes.
or
Hmm?
on any drive or C drive, operating system drive.
If you have it in C drive, then it's better. If you don't
Okay,
have it in C drive, any drive.
okay.
Okay. Is my voice clear? Any background noise?
No, it is clear as of now.
Okay, good. So that's the configuration required. Operating system, CPU, RAM, and disk space. Okay. Now, so I hope everyone has the minimum configuration.
Yes, we do have. Like I do have.
Yes, I have.
Download VMware Workstation.
So, virtual boxes, will it work, or we have to download VMware?
VirtualBox will also work, but I would recommend you to go with VMware Workstation. If you would like to do it on VirtualBox, that's also okay. Now, point number three is but everyone will be on VMware Workstation
Okay, so
and
sure, I'll just download that one.
Windows. You see, this is the URL which you need to use to download these things. So you go to this tinyurl.com/links for MECM. Okay, tinyurl.com/links for MECM. So I'm gonna copy that and then put it on my browser. Okay. Okay. So 124. You need to download 124 and you need to download 126. Okay. Can anyone share your screen and show me whether are you downloading it or not, so that I will guide you how to go about it. You can share.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes. So download one by
124.
one. Yeah, one by one download. You can uninstall the Oracle VirtualBox later on. Okay. If you don't
Yeah,
need that one.
simultaneously I'm doing that SCCM now, so that's why I kept it.
Okay.
And Kashim bhai, account is not yet created, I think, for me, so I'm unable to see your previous videos. So I just wanted to inform you that thing.
Which video? Which previous video? Yesterday
In
one?
your this group yesterday one, yeah.
Oh, I haven't created any playlist yet. I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.
And you will create our account in your tenant, right? Then only I'll will be able to see.
The video, right?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I'll do that. Don't worry about it.
Okay. And is there any separate WhatsApp group for this class?
Today I will create.
Okay. Windows 10
Uh,
Pro.
Can you paste this
Yes.
link in the chat, sir? Hello.
Yeah, I did. It is completed. So
Okay.
Pro one I'm
So
downloading.
we yeah. So VMware Workstation is downloaded. Now download the Windows 10 Pro.
So Kashim bhai, why do we require this thing?
Which one?
This Pro one, Windows
We
10
have.
Pro,
We need to create a
Windows 2.
virtual machine.
Acha.
So virtual machine, Windows 10 virtual machine needs the ISO image file, right? That's the reason
So
we are
I think
downloading.
yesterday I have downloaded that thing, but it was not 10 Pro. I think it was Windows 10 Enterprise.
Enterprise we don't need. Why? Because enterprise you will have the free trial one. We don't need the free trial. We want to have the
Come
full version. Yes,
full
that's
Pro.
the reason
Okay,
we are downloading the pro one.
okay. So this is my slow connection actually. So I'm just switching my net on different faster one
Okay.
because it will take time. Just
Okay, guys. So you have to download Jitesh and Sultan. Are you guys also downloading?
Yeah, Kashif. Already I have workstation.
Yes.
Remaining softwares I will download.
We will have to create one Windows 10.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, new Windows 10 we have to create.
Sure.
so till then VMware workstation we have to install, right?
Yeah, so if it is downloaded for everyone, let's install VMware Workstation.
Uh, Sir, I have some doubts.
Yes,
Shall
go
I
ahead.
share my screen?
Yes, share your screen.
I have already this VMware Workstation 17 player. Is
Hmm.
this same
Yeah,
or
the same. Yeah, you have VMware Workstation Pro already. Click on
okay?
that
Then
VMware
which
Workstation Pro,
this
blue
one,
one.
right? Okay, and
Yes, you have Windows 11 already created. Yeah, you don't have to install that one because you are already installed it.
actually it's not working. If I
Which
start this, I have already done with this, but if I start this, then it's giving me this error.
okay,
Kernel.
delete this machine. We'll create a new fresh new machine. Okay, remove remove.
Remove. Okay. So I have download. It's going on now.
Okay,
It's
so
3 GB. 2 minutes left.
you don't have to install VMware because it's already there in your computer. Okay,
Yes.
so Sultan and Rizwan, you guys need to install VMware Workstation.
Okay, yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah, sure, Kashif.
It's installing their like prerequisites and all supporting files. It's downloading. Finish. Okay.
Now wait, cancel this. I'll guide you how to go about it. Cancel. Is that downloaded? The Windows 10 Pro, everyone?
No, it's still
Yes,
3-4
it's
minutes.
almost done for me. We can do on my system, right?
Yes. So Sultan and Rizwan, is it
Yeah, it's
downloaded for you?
2 minutes
Yeah,
that it is showing.
Okay,
for
let's
me
wait
it's
for.
not downloaded, Kashif. I will do that after this session at
Okay,
home.
you know how to do it, right?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay, so what we have to do, we need to have a one new virtual machine so that we will be enrolling that virtual machine into Intune and we'll be controlling that machine through Intune, right? So
Mhm.
you need to open VMware Workstation. After the installation of VMware Workstation, open that one, everyone. And on that, you need to click on this, create a new virtual machine. Now we'll go with typical option. Okay, we'll go with typical. Now, one more thing, in case if you guys are facing some challenges, Mohammed, Sultan and Rizwan, to follow along, you can join from one more device. If you have two monitors, then it's okay. On one monitor, you can see what is going on in the meeting, and on the other screen, you can perform the same task on your computer. But in case if you have only one monitor, then it's difficult to switch back, to watch and do the same thing. So you can join from mobile, this meeting, or from a different computer, or from tab or laptop, so that you can watch on that machine and do the same thing on your computer. Okay, that way you can, it will be easier for you, it will be convenient for you to watch and do the same thing. Okay, now, so yes, yeah, I will install the operating system later. You need to choose that one and then go next. Now choose Windows 10 64, the second one from the top.
So
Windows
after
10
typical,
64.
what option you have choose? Installer disk.
Typical later.
I will install the
Okay, okay,
operating
okay.
system later.
Later,
And then
acha.
here in this, you need to choose Windows 10 x64. Okay,
10.
and next. Now here you need to type in, wait a minute, Jitesh. You
Mhm.
need to type in the name of your virtual machine. So you can type in anything of your choice, but I would suggest you give a name called capital letter WINVM001. WIN WINVM 001. That means it's a Windows virtual machine. As per the naming convention, WIN Windows VM001. Now, where exactly it's gonna save? Why you have Chinese character in OneDrive? Is that your office computer?
No, it's my personal computer.
So why you have this Chinese character after OneDrive?
I am not sure.
Okay, fine. Wait a minute. So it's going in OneDrive. We don't want to save it in OneDrive. We will save it in a different location altogether. Okay. So
Mhm.
let's go to the folder icon below. Click on the folder icon below.
Folder here.
Yeah. Go to C drive. And here you create a folder in C drive called Intune. Intune. Okay. Now inside Intune, wait a minute. Inside Intune, you create another folder called WINVM001. WINVM001. And now double click on this WINVM001 and copy the path from the top, from the address bar. Copy the path, copy, and paste it here. Very good. So here the location is different now. We are not going in OneDrive now. Next. Now give 80 gigabyte, not 60, give 80 gigabyte. Okay, 80 GB. Okay, and then next, and then finish.
This much is enough memory, 2 GB.
We'll configure. Choose finish. Okay, now here we have to customize this machine. It has only 2 gigabyte of RAM, right? So let's click on edit virtual machine setting. Okay, now click on 4 GB. Just click on 4 GB. 4096. That's the RAM we are giving to this machine. Now processor is already 2 processor, that's okay. Hard disk is 80 GB. Now choose CD DVD thing, CD DVD. And in CD DVD, you have to use this, the second option, which says use ISO image file, and connect the Windows 10 Pro, which you just downloaded. Shh. Windows 10 Pro.
Okay.
Okay, now in this one, you have options on the top. Click on option. Okay. Now you have one option called shared folders. Click on disabled one. The shared folder is disabled. What is shared folder? There will be a folder uh, shared in your virtual machine. Your laptop folder will be shared in the virtual machine, so that you can do file transfer between host machine to guest, guest to host. So click on always enabled, and then map as a network drive in Windows guest, and then add this Intune folder from C drive. Add. Next. Browse the Intune folder from C drive. Just Intune folder, not the, Intune folder. So Intune folder will be shared. Your computer folder, your laptop folder will be shared in the virtual machine. Okay. Click on OK. Next, finish. Now the next thing is you need to go to access control. At the left hand side, you have access control. Now we would like to encrypt this device. Why do we need to do that? Because in future, in the training, after like 10-15 days from now, we will be able to encrypt the hard disk of this device using BitLocker technology. Generally, that is used in the production environment to encrypt the laptop's hard disk, right? So we will encrypt that one. Choose encrypt and type password, anything of your choice, but make a note of this password. Send it to yourself on WhatsApp message that this is my password for virtual machine, the encryption password, something like that. Save this one. Make sure you do that. Click on encrypt.
It is already saved.
Okay, so that is your encryption password. Now we have down at the bottom advanced. Okay, you see there is an option called UEFI that is selected. UEFI. Now just below that you have enable secure boot. Choose that one. Check that one. Now why do we need to do that? Because we will be able to upgrade the machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. If a secure boot is not enabled, you cannot you cannot upgrade the machine. That's a minimum requirement, that that's a prerequisite for a machine to get upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Secure boot needs to be enabled. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now we have to add one hardware chip, TPM. What is TPM? TPM is a chip in motherboard that will help you to encrypt hard disk. The BitLocker technology can be applied only on the device where the TPM chip is available. Okay, so let's go to hardware. On the top, you have hardware.
Hardware. Okay.
Then add. Choose trusted platform module.
Finish.
Finish. And then click on OK.
Kashyap, I have one question here. Actually, we are doing all these settings in our virtual environment. So on real production environment, where we have to set all these settings.
You don't have to do all these things because in production environment you will be generally managing laptops. So by default laptops will have all these things. You know, when you purchase a new laptop,
Okay.
Dell or Lenovo or HP, users, your employee will have laptops. So when you
Mm-hmm.
purchase and give it to them, so by default TPM will be there on the laptop. By default these, you know, configuration will be there. Got
Okay.
it?
Mm-hmm.
Even if you have to manage virtual machine, then that's not your task. You don't encrypt virtual machine in production environment because virtual machines are inside the premises, you know, in the data center or somewhere inside the company. Actual the problem, the main thing what you have to protect is the laptop. You know, laptop is like a mobile device, it goes out and in.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
we have to make sure the hard disk of the laptop is encrypted. So that is the reason it's important to, it's mandatory to encrypt the hard disk of the laptop. But virtual machine,
Mm-hmm.
you don't have to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Since we are not going to purchase any laptop. That's the reason we are doing it on virtual machine. Let's assume that this is a new laptop.
Mm-hmm.
Let's assume, let's imagine that this is a new laptop you have purchased. Now, when you purchase, you have to build operating system, right?
Right.
Or it will have the preloaded operating system. So either you assemble a new computer and then install operating system, or it will have the operating system by default. So let's
Mm-hmm.
install the operating system, but you have to power on the machine, Jitesh. When you power on, not now, wait. When you
Mm-hmm.
power on, it is gonna give you a message like press any key to boot from CD or DVD. The moment you see that message, you need to click on that one. You know, you need to click on that line,
Mhm.
okay, and hit any key on the keyboard quickly. And within a few seconds, you have to do that. Otherwise, you will have to start again. Okay. So let's power on and then wait for the message to come. Click from the mouse and press any key on the keyboard.
Okay, means once that message is come, I just have to enter.
Once the message comes, you need to use your mouse to click on that one first
Okay,
and then enter.
okay.
Power on.
Message is coming.
Unable to open kernel device. This MX operation completed successfully. Okay. Did you reboot after installing VMware? Okay, so looks like your VMware workstation has some problem. Okay, let's do one thing. The VMware you have downloaded or you did not download?
Yes, yes, it is there.
Okay, let's close this VMware workstation.
Kashim bhai, it is asking for me for installation that.
Okay, wait for the
Uh-huh.
instruction.
Shall
Go to
I
the download folder.
uninstall first,
No, no,
please?
go to the download folder. Double click on this VMware workstation.
That will automatically uninstall.
It should upgrade. When did you install VMware workstation?
Just 1 month back. 1 month.
1 month back.
uh,
Okay, let's see how it goes. Down at the bottom, click on that. Yes. Click on that.
The product installer does
Mm.
not support downgrades.
Oh, so you have the latest version installed. Okay, click on OK. Do you have the installer of, click on finish. Do you have the installer of the old one? The one which I think it's in the download folder. Maybe scroll down, check. Uh, yes, that's the one earlier this month. Yeah, double click on that one. Choose repair. Choose repair. Not needed. Next. Repair. Have you installed Hyper-V as well on this machine?
I believe yes.
Check the control panel. Control panel. Click on turn Windows feature on or off at the left hand side. Hypervisor. Where is Hyper-V? Windows Hypervisor. I don't think that is installed. Good. Scroll up. Up. No, Hyper-V is not installed. Cancel this. Close it.
Files
The
in
following
India.
application are using that needs to be updated. These application, click on retry to continue. Retry. Sharing control bar. Microsoft Teams. Oh, Microsoft Teams application. Okay, do one thing. Close these applications. You have to close this Teams application. No, you
Teams.
closed it. Yeah.
If I close this, then I can.
Yes,
I'll get disconnected.
you will get disconnected from the meeting. You close the Teams application and then choose retry. Okay. And then join the meeting again. Sharing control. Okay, maybe you can just unshare the screen, stop sharing. Stop sharing option is there on the top. Now try.
Try.
Maybe that will work now.
It's validating. It's again retry option.
Retry. Okay. Kill the task. This teams. You know.
Task
Uh,
manager.
from the task manager, kill the task Microsoft Teams, and then retry, and join the meeting again.
Okay.
Now, in the meantime, you share your screen, Rizwan.
Yes, I'm
Let me
sharing.
take a look. Okay, so it's asking for you to build Windows 10 machine. So choose the language is English, United States. Your time, choose India. The time and currency format. Choose India. India is not there. Rupee is there? Rupee.
Pakistan is there, but India is not there.
Okay. Okay, let's leave it as it is, the US itself, the default one. English United
Urdu
States.
is there.
No,
Urdu
we don't
India
need,
is there.
no, we don't need Urdu. Um,
Then English India
English,
must be there.
English India may be there.
No.
It's there on
English
the top.
India, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay, choose English India and language is okay. Now let's click on next and choose install now. So we are now installing Windows 10 Pro. So we don't have license, right? We will activate it later on. So choose I do not have product key. I do not have product key. Now choose Windows 10 Pro, the second last one. Next. And check the license terms and condition and next. And choose the second option, custom, and then next. So this machine is gonna be built in like 10-15 minutes from now. Okay, so but and it is gonna restart the machine. Okay, but don't log into the machine after the machine is restarted.
Mm-hmm.
So just power off the machine once the machine is ready. Now
Ready.
also make sure you don't your machine does not go to the sleep mode. Go to the control panel on your computer, laptop, control panel, and then category at the right hand side top you choose power option. The category on the top, choose a small icon. Power option. And at the right hand side you have a change plan setting. Right hand side. And that's
Hello,
left.
sir. Hello, sir.
1 minute, Jitesh. Now put the computer down. No, that's the display one. Okay, never. Put everything never. Put everything never. Okay, so your machine will not go into the sleep mode. Click on save changes. Okay, yes, minimize it. Yes, Jitesh. Still the same problem?
It's giving this error like the file VM vintage. Let me just.
Hmm.
uh, it's asking for that path. I'm not sure which path. This path.
What error are you getting?
Uh,
Share
it's
your
not a
screen.
error. It's not an error. It's asking
No.
for path something.
C drive, Windows player. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's uninstall the existing one, what you have. Go to the control panel. Cancel. Click on cancel. Go to the control panel.
This one.
VMware Workstation Pro. Yeah, uninstall. Click on change. Remove.
Remove.
Hmm.
Okay.
Finish.
It's done.
Now install the one which I refresh this control panel. Okay, it's gone. Now go to the download folder.
This one.
Yes.
Do I need to delete any files?
No, no, no. Let's see what happens. Next. Accept the license
Kashim,
terms and
Kashim
condition.
bhai, it is asking me how would you like to set up.
Don't do anything, just power off the machine. Next. 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 Install.
Yes, this the
Again,
vintage again.
the
Okay.
the file vintage.dll on VMware disk is needed. The type the path where the file is located and click on OK. So it's going to copy from file. Okay. Click on OK to see what happens. It does not come.
Mhm.
Okay, let me see where it comes. 1 minute. C drive, program files x86, and then VMware, and in VMware we have VMware workstation, and then 1 minute, and what's the file name? VMNET bridge, right? VMNET bridge.dll. Okay. So go to open the folder icon. Folder. Go to C drive, program files x86, VMware. Go to VMware workstation. Now look for that file. Is that file present here? VMware VMnet bridge. VMnet bridge. Just type in VMnet here. Na? VMnet
VM.
bridge.
Yes, it is.
Bridge is there. Copy the path from the top. Paste it there. Paste. It was already selected. Now click on OK. Okay, check it's the installation proceeded.
Yes, it is proceed.
Okay.
Okay.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay, let's open the VMware workstation now.
This one, right?
Uh, now click on, you opened multiple times, close one of them. Okay, power on the machine.
The same which we have done, right?
Yes, power on. Okay, click on this and then press any key on the keyboard. You missed that one.
Oh shit.
Power off, power on again. Power off. So the moment you see that line, you need to click on that line and then hit enter on the keyboard. So two things you have to do. Power on. Click on that line. Very good. Okay, click on next. Install now. I do not have product key. Second last one, Windows 10 Pro.
Pro N or Pro?
Pro. Next. Check the accept here. Next. Second option, custom. Next. Okay, so it's gonna take 10-15 minutes and then the machine will be ready. Don't log into the machine. When it will, it will ask you to restart the machine and all. I mean, it will automatically restart and then it will ask you to choose the location and region and keyboard and all. Don't use anything, just power off the machine. Got it?
Okay.
Do not log in, otherwise you will have to build the machine again.
Sure, I will power
Now
it off.
go to control
Kashif, I
panel
have
and
selected
check
all those
1 minute.
options.
1 minute. You selected all the option, you logged in as well?
No, not logged in, but that layout and all keyboard layout.
Okay, that's fine, but don't log in.
No.
Go to control panel on your computer and power option. Make sure your computer does not go to the sleep mode. Power option. Type in power, power option. At the right, no, at the right hand side, you have change plan setting, right? Turn off, never, choose never. All of them, choose never all of them, okay? Okay. Any question? Anyone before we wrap it up?
Once this is done, I just have to power it off, right?
Power off, yes. Don't log in. If you log in, you will have to do it again. Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Any question before we wrap it up?
Nothing,
That's it.
That's it?
Kashif,
Okay.
please share those links and all now. So we'll just
Yeah. Could you please make the one
What
group
links?
account, account for this
Which account?
video.
Okay.
This you said, na, playlist and all things. So
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye.